Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how to fix hanging problem in your Poco smartphone. So if you are facing this kind of issues, first, if you are charging, if you are playing games while charging or doing any work while charging, it will definitely heat your device and harm your device. It will degrade your battery and its effect on your life of your smartphone also. You have to avoid these things. You have to do time to time regular updates. If you have any software update or any kind of system update or application update, you have to do it to it will just create a less lag. And then you have to restart your smartphone. First, just go to the settings. You have to click on the applications, see all application, click on three dots, reset app preferences. By doing this, you will not lose any app data. Just click on search, and here you have to write just Google Play services. Now here you have to just simply tap on it, storage and cache. Now simply click on clear cache, and now it's done. So you can see this is how you can fix the hanging problem. And if you have any unwanted file, photos and videos application, just you have to do is delete them, uninstall them, and it will create space on your phone, so it will not lag anymore. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.